Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately by powering off the Apple Watch and removing the strap so you can access the edges. Once done, gently heat the bezel area to about 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. This softens the adhesive and makes separation safer. Next, apply a small suction cup to the glass and insert a thin plastic pick at the lifted corner. Pry incrementally, do not force. Keep the pick shallow to avoid damaging the display cable behind the glass, and work around the perimeter evenly. Once you've separated adhesive around the edge, continue in small 1 to 2 centimeter steps, keeping pressure controlled so the glass won't crack. When a portion lifts, stop and inspect beneath. You'll see the display and force sensor flex cables. These are delicate, so make sure to protect them with finger or tape. Next, use a non-metallic spudger to open the small ZIF connector latches. Flip the latch, slide the cable out slowly, and only then lift the panel clear. This prevents sudden tears and keeps the connectors intact. To finish, peel any residual adhesive away using a plastic tool and 90% isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free cloth. Avoid soaking the board. Once cleaned, reconnect the display flex temporarily to power on and confirm touch and visuals. This ensures everything worked before new adhesive is applied. If the screen flickers or touch is unresponsive, power down and reseat the ZIF latches, then clean the contacts gently. If problems persist, inspect for torn cable or debris, and stop to reassess rather than forcing reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.